Most people think meat is just meat. But what if I told you the name on your plate doesn't even match the animal? And once you realize this, you'll never look at food the same way again. Let's start with something simple. Beef. You'd think beef comes from cows, right? It does. But the word beef actually has nothing to do with cows. It comes from the French word bœuf, introduced after the Norman conquest. Here's the twist. The farmers raised the animals, but the nobles ate the meat. That's why it's cow on the farm, but beef on your plate. Now pork. This one might surprise you. Pork is actually the most consumed meat in the world. Not chicken, not beef. Pork. And China alone eats more pork than the next 4 countries combined. Here's why that matters. Pigs were raised almost entirely for food. No milk, no wool, no labor, just meat. Now chicken, the one everyone eats. But here's the crazy part. Chicken only became the most popular meat in the 1990s. Before that, beef dominated. And it gets even more interesting. In 1925, it took 16 weeks for a chicken to reach market size. Today, less than 6 weeks. That's a massive change. Now lamb. Here's something most people don't know. Lamb and mutton are not the same thing. Lamb is from a young sheep. Mutton? Older sheep, with a much stronger flavor. And over time, people stopped liking that stronger taste. Let's talk duck, because this one is different. Duck meat is darker, richer, and way more flavorful than chicken. Why? Because it contains more myoglobin. And one dish changed everything: Peking duck, a recipe that goes back over 600 years. Now here's something unexpected: venison. That's deer meat. But in medieval times, only royalty could eat it. And if you hunted deer without permission, you could be punished severely. Today, it's popular again because it's leaner than most red meats. Now this one is on another level: Wagyu, Japanese beef. But here's what makes it insane. It has extreme marbling, fat inside the meat. And the highest grade can cost over $200 for just 100 grams. Yes, that expensive. Let's move to turkey. You probably only think about it once a year, but in the US alone, over 46 million turkeys are eaten on Thanksgiving. And here's something most people miss. Turkey is actually leaner than chicken. Now here's a global fact most people get wrong. Goat is actually one of the most consumed red meats in the world, especially across Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. And the taste? Depends on the age. Younger goat is mild, older goat is much stronger. Rabbit. It might sound unusual, but it's been eaten for thousands of years. Even the Romans raised rabbits in special farms. And during wartime, it became a survival food. Now something smaller: quail. Tiny bird, big flavor. And it's been eaten since ancient Egypt, even appearing in hieroglyphs. That's how far back it goes. Now here's one you don't hear about often: water buffalo. The meat is darker than beef, slightly sweeter, and even lower in cholesterol. And its milk? Used to make authentic mozzarella in Italy. Now this one surprises a lot of people: crocodile meat. Yes, people eat crocodile. And the taste? Somewhere between chicken and fish. High protein, low fat. And it's farmed commercially. And finally, kangaroo. One of the oldest consumed meats in human history. Over 50,000 years. And here's the twist: it's one of the most sustainable meats on Earth. Low fat, low emissions, high protein. So next time you eat meat, remember this: it's not just food. It's history. It's culture. And sometimes, it's not even what you think it is.